ho ebe bufu a say na hyase me meka me mfa wo ho because maka tell say ye chechire o man Ghana enya wo party ni wo interest yera jo mahama Galamsey issue no te said the campaign tia na nado danko akufado no me hyase a campaign atia wo any NDC aban obi be ka se me ye hwan no problem say na me nyobi MP before ka se me nyobi a me boa ye hyase se ye kasa wo sa platform si MP before ka se me nyobi a ntimetimi akade me pe MP before nim de nana janto aye wo mu enti Galamsey issue no wo de keka brofo ne sa yera jo mahama keka brofo no. We will not. I'm reluctant to declare state of emergency in the Galamsey because we haven't exhausted the powers we have without the state of. It just say, "Ude kekabrofo yerajo mahama, no problem." As I say, kekabrofo, no problem. Now no minia ukuje to Abraka. 3 weeks ago, time ane yesu nkrofo a omuko wuye yen kai obi aya o nkrofo a omuko wuye yen nuanom omuko wuye helicopter yi. Ebufu a na ewo mu yentie ye nua okuje to ablakwa okan ka che se oh cabinet ehia president ani abre o de Galamsey wa won krofo de na wo kasenka jurisdiction bi anka be resign no on krofo enso ye Galamsey NDC for enso executives ana wo blame na na do danko akufado ye rajo mahama on krofo NDC for enso ye Galamsey maybe 1 year ago so be kaya o ka sa me kan say na ye ka say Galamsey no be ne den o ka bibi wa ha ye ntie de o kan ye me de o ko back o ye rajo mahama manyofo
e ko papa men dada mo and so e hia kokudro because one Senior Mikayan, gold is the one holding Ghana now. And because of Galamsey Intina, we were 80 tons per year. I feel 135 tons.
But muntie heye. Because what we are doing, you know, in research, you know, friend of content analysis. Until we can be beer, no one say as it ye. Sabre near Galamsey once. Sabre no so na MPP for say gold no. Production cost production cost production and say Ghana sabre no MPP before say oh gold no yetimia produce more etimia ton more any ebusa ye rajo mahama say Galamsey no be ne den ona se ne kon na den pa efri say bibi na no ka ne kire say ye pese sacrifice ya yen gintum say gold na cost MPP for the year de no Galamsey for so gold ni bi kan Ghana small scale mining de no ho muntie nyam na me kan ye yentie ni biem o kan 1 year ago no ye campaign
papa men dada mo and so e hia kokudro because one Senior Mikayan, gold is the one holding Ghana now. And because of Galamsey Intina, we were 80 tons per year. I feel 135 tons. Additional, be brave free Galamsey. So we must be prepared to sacrifice in the fight against Galamsey. Say production will come down. It means that exports will reduce. And then also the issue of employment. Because employment in the Kodani Bebre, Galamsey. Into Okutia Galamsey, a lot of the young people who currently are surviving with Galamsey would also get unemployed. Into those are two consequences I'm putting on the table before we start the fight. The risks are worth the effort. The first thing is to make sure, say, forest reserves, omo mining of forest reserves, make us say forestry commission, almost 37 forest reserves have been, entered into and destroyed. And so the first thing is to get them out. Now, you start to say, then the second thing is Yensiono. And it's
Irajo Mahama, Enra Nami wo manso. Insono eninti, insono kradi ase aye west. the okay no west onko for 2 onko for NDC for no omun so ye Galamsey ni bi de na wo ka no se a gold board no nso aba no wa wani tua se Galamsey sika nso ka ho na this small scale mining sika ne ka ho na se Ghana ye ka se o na no menu asami jamfi se o ya produce be 6.11 billion Ghana cedis ne dollars e che se ye nya Galamsey sika no nso ka ho enjaye Ghana sika na ye nya ye ka se ye produce more gold board produce more no Galamsey sika no enso ka ho mayen dada ye ho hwe empanyifo no me se no ade misako hu manso no agro ne yeti oni edie uti kumase ha ena mpanyifo ne ka ne se ya enti na ye mu bi na ne ye mpe se bibi se no nanke ehia ai president John Mahama Galamsey enti se ye nya ka won se duru baby na corruption credit mi kan wasem enti se ye nya Galamsey ne ka because the eno a wo kan ye no ma me hu se based on nyoma amabobo say when you ruthless you are reluctant meanwhile we crawl for say we so be ruthless ruthless kire say men show be anim me ye de wo say me ye but say you are reluctant to declare state of emergency ade aye war ensuo nani me say no abebiane ye konyina unhu nsuo ba ko a ani ate from anya kwanta ekwa to manso tonto krom manso abore manso hwan enso bie ni wa eye clean eye clear
ho na sika free enso ho nye
usi ruthless yo mu kwan tan president be ka bibi kire yen ni ehun se wani abre a ruthless ne say ototo papa so because you know say gold board no o ye Galamsey issues a ebe ko form e based on his logic the logic ni nim say Galamsey si kanu bi be ka Ghana de no ho e na kosoro say gold board nso ka se o manya say bebre Galamsey si kaka ho enti won timi nya enti no say state of because ababe hu say o ye state of emergency a wan hwe ya production be drop it president John Mahama me disappointed though me disappointed and na no pe ho na me ti say wo kika gas state of me Kofi me real hoye nam say say ye kunya kwa
enra na me be da afi
ye kunya kwa say Galamsey na mo ano chabe NDC fo ma no chabe ye bie lines a na Kufa do ye wudini wa hwan ye ntuntia no John Mahama hey NDC
serious
Fradi Nyankopon sikanashi abokegu kai
ya bokegu
Galamsey na anyi
ya asemu
Galamsey na mfa ubo bibia
na ye ntie Sam George kakra
Inyina labo Mr. DJ Bamnyumbina Dailu ma boy no ye de be timi bia memre so na miko Minya da menyumna Dailu ma boy no Ankwanu me emre so na miko ayesuni sise mre na so da odi yesu ebia ba wadwen ne ensu no ebia fam ho na ama ensu na yedam amensa obi ayesuni isu ayanumni ensu afidi Ghana man onipa kakre bi one pesman kumianti ayesuni yade ehwenye nka na Sunday nka baba no na mankrofo o ha wolugal they are enjoying the nature ayesuni ni enye yo mampanyi biala nti enwunya se wobaka wa asem radio station ni TV station ma ban ate dem olkodni o san ne aha no nipa wo de wakasa man na ya woto en da menyipa no ayemum ene yenya kwasiafo bi a san e kan wobayawo ense nsunini mankron akokwa kwanyakon asafo winiba suedro kaswa nsu a efidi eni o nsu a yanumini wato pipe 1000 years impo na yesu nti na ye nsuro ise nsunini wodi ye hwen ye fe mobano de new. This is the most beautiful place of the Ayensu River. Eni o nsunini wodi ba yeden first no wase wodi along guma e ba gine sise no enya along Asem nsunini o nsunini sise ye ne den enye yo mampani bia won kan wasem won mekere o obi an fa obi an ho sise no nsu a amanfo ye wo ha ye de ba hurade ye de ba ye aduane aka no se mo wonu mpodi anka ye beto pure water na yi ana wo de ye nti sise no asem abeni o nti ye besere mo sise no ye ni obi wo ha ayi awutu senya iso something but you ase kaswa MP wo ho aguna yi se MP wo ha we ya me bodin de MP bi wo ha yi nkwasiafo bi a wonim nyansa because when the atama wo video na ehun yen last year na me start here dem video si a me gina mankon kwanta na me ye na ma aba mankon un se wundi obi atem ti ehun obi a wo ba me ndi atem but me kire wo se ye wo MP sa won krofo na wo enjoy insui awutu senya mfasa kaswa me ene aguna east ene aguna west aguna sodro sise ye nyina nsu a true aguna kwanyako efidi da mi enkrama body ene nkro nketu haka ho de ye bre mankron akokwa ene nkro aka ho mankron kwanta nsu echil kwanyako asafo na ntefa ye nyina nsu ye o ene nsu ma ye ni o yan kase nti amampanyi bia nti na obi likade ene mo mfa ye nonsense Golo boys no those MPP and NDC for one crop no go to soon what to Galamsey no what's we numa papa mo san yefa nti den na ekosi e den na ekosi o ayensu ni o this is the most beautiful place aha no na wo ba ha nsu no e won 9 branches a wo de 2 kro ni din nsu no ma ye ni nka na wo ba banka mankrofo wo ha wo horade wo gal wo enjoy the nature nti asema yesra mo this is NGO fo am wa kwantuma I am frame me medam ase ti se NGO fu munim NGO fo wotutu nsubura o metubi man my san so ma be video bio
the president, he can't change his mouth. One side of his mouth is saying one thing, the other side of his mouth is saying another thing. It is not good for him. In the 2020 election, after the government had acted on the Galamsey, he went around all the mining districts of Ghana to tell them that when he comes, he's going to give amnesty to anybody who has been attacked on the Galamsey issue by my government. So it's not surprising that MPP lost in all those constituencies. That when he comes, he will now enforce the Galamsey laws. We want the NDC, 4-time NDC presidential candidate, to come clean, to tell us where does he stand. This is what I meant when I said that I was prepared to put my presidency on the line. I was prepared to take the political risk in dealing with them Galamsey.
All right, so we have a Bibia. And say, Nana Jantua essay, President John Dramani Mahama, Niamana or actually say, he has on your margin say, or Babe fighting against Galamsey. And who call Galamsey side and NDC front and the Galamsey amu kina pa or hodmu. Eno, Anna Jantua. Yana Jantua, Catherine John Dramani Mahama say, one funny Nancy from up or no, obey your campaign, Siana Bassa. I was all right, so we have a Bibia. And say, Nana Jantua essay, President John Dramani Mahama, Niamana or actually say, he has on your margin say, or Babe fighting against Galamsey. And who call Galamsey side and NDC front and the Galamsey amu kina pa or hodmu. Eno, Anna Jantua. Yana Jantua, Catherine John Dramani Mahama say, one funny Nancy from up or no, obey your campaign, Siana Bassa. I was all right, so we have a Bibia. And say, Nana Jantua essay, President John Dramani Mahama, Niamana or actually say, he has on your margin say, or Babe fighting against Galamsey. ene ukọ Galamsey site NDC fro na di Galamsey amu kina pa wo hodom eno ena jantoa yana jantoa ka kire John Dramani Mahama say wan fa ne nansi from am ono obeye campaign tia no basa abusafo